Hey guys, this is Amir P, who's doing my intern under the Sparks Foundation for the role of Data Science and Business Analytics. This is my task 3, which is Exploratory Data Analysis for Retail. So without delay, we'll go to our code. So this is my code. First of all, I would like to tell you that I am a beginner. A scale of 3 out of 10 is what is my knowledge for data science. The first two tasks are quite easy, but the third was quite tricky. I need to refer my previous batchmates GitHub. Then I referred a Stack Overflow. Then I explored the net. I came to know a lot of new codes too. So if there is any mistake, kindly let me know. No problem. That. So I've did a lot of research work and then I have written the code. Okay, let me go to the code. Now the problem statement is perform exploratory data analysis on the dataset SampleSuperstore. As a business manager, try to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. What all business problems you can derive by exploring the data. Okay, as usual, I am importing the libraries. Okay, NumPy, Pandas, Matplot. I'm importing it. Then I'm importing the SampleSuperstore Excel sheet. Okay, through my drive. So from drive, I'm importing to collab and then I'm mounting it. So my drive is mounted. Okay, you can also mount it from any folder. Anything is acceptable. Okay, now I want my data to be read, which is in my drive. I want it to be read, and after reading, I want the table, which is I want my data to run. So my data has run, and I've got the table. So later I am exploring my data because I want to find out which are the objects, integer and float. So after giving the statement, I found that there are float, integer, objects are 8 objects are there. Okay. So next I want the statistics of data. So I'm using the describe command. So using data.describe, I got my count, mean, standard, minimum, everything, quantity, discount profit as a whole statistics. So describe is used to get your statistics of data. To check whether any data is missing, I'm using isnull.sum. So I have checked whether any data is missing. Now I'm going to check any duplicates is there in my dataset. Yes, I have found 17 duplicates in my dataset. So I'm going to change them out. I'm going to remove the duplicates. So I'm using data.drop duplicates. Okay. Now this is for my bar chart. Okay. Bar graph. So I am taking it as sales and profit. I want my sales to be in green color. I want my profit to be in yellow color. Okay. So this is it. You can see that green color is for green for sales and yellow for profit. Now for shipping, I've taken a separate bar graph. For segment, a separate bar graph. Region, a separate bar graph. And category, subcategory, quantity, discount, everything I've taken. Now what I observe from the above bar graph is that the profit of copiers is really high and the sales of office supplies is low, but the profit is high. Okay, these are the two observations which I'm getting in it. Now I want to find the unique statements in the array. So I'm declaring data.state.unique and I'm getting too many unique statements in the array. Okay, now I want the other part of the question to be solved. So I'm declaring another bar chart, bar graph. You can also use pie chart or anything. I'm going for bar graph. So this is the data I have observed, sales and profits for each state. So okay, so what would I like to say is, the states with high sales are generating less profit. That is what I have observed from the above data. Now I'm splitting the data into groups for easy solving. So that's why I'm using data.groupby. Now I'm going to compare the bar graph above with the above table. Okay, by comparing, I'm getting this as the answer. This is the comparison. Okay, now after comparing, I find a result that the states with less profit are now allowed with more profit. So I'm going to change it accordingly. Now I'm going to plot a line graph, which is I want the x-axis to be in discount and y-axis to be in profit, and the data and data, and the color I want is in green, and I wanted to show it. This is what I have observed. Okay, as the profit is increasing, the profit generated is decreasing. So that is what I have observed from the above chart. Guys, any mistake, kindly let me know. It took me around 2 to 3 days to understand the concept and work out. So I am really happy. If anyone would like to tell me any suggestions or anything has gone wrong, thank you. I have also uploaded my GitHub